Kurombe orekeri mutegeri mwende nanto bwa ka taswish ka mitambo indi nabo njorushi yetu yegi manto ya mitambo bagutonga wa ili idatu na manto edira ya kiagira tukuringa eme na nandi tukathia tukitegera mwerekera jo siasa sia mero twina jenzi yongwa akethira akimurika gukirukira ritho ria mbeu mbithi bura siasa cia mero cithirite ikijukia mwerekera yuriku ndito akabu mutharimi ukolwa gutungatira kiri mitandao ya kinande Facebook turi live at Meru TV Kenya, YouTube turi live at Meru TV Kenya narwere Jumanne 14th October 2025 uyokania yani kura no bugita na mbere indi siasa cia Meru nichiekite mukono jonge bwana Kelvin Mwirigi.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Ngenda withira ugikethia mutengeri okaire nondo nande tugucokera nyuma ya kamushikila kau ka mitambo indi gona bura na bwa andu beto mitambo chap chap
Very speed. Very efficient. Thank you. Yeah, Amiru mugeni abo ketheka kaire Amiru mugeni kaire na especially antoba mwangandie mugeni mono. You know, that's where I come from. With the Mwangandia. Na tuba Mwangandia mugeni.
So Mwangandia kuri atia. Mwangandia no umete.
Mwangandia ko tudo kimono, ndi ko do kimono. Because when it comes to development, tu nyuma kidogo. Batu tu tawanto bagaiti. Mwangandia nkeago batu tu ankene na
daraga
na deputy president. Batawe keto kuona mono ko. Ni wala tu kwanda kuga one time na yana nto tore akwenu ento rene. But you're not seeing much from this government. Especially, but there's a time to assess. And then we negotiated on the chief of staff comes from our area in Toyeto. And they took atore assess na ndeni beto no watu shughulikira tu kiro kabros but so far we are just waiting ende kuteo kimono
no weterera ndeka kwa kome makasi ore chairman wa budget akiwa gitumi kia mirandi gwithira gicherero maturene na kwagiritwo ko mathoko ni ati kuri na mpangaratano ya e-procurement mutaratara jo retini thirikari nene ugerogera treasury jira juikira ikabune kimwe mitaratara ya tendering.
E-procurement is not a good thing, but kuna ambecha to collector, kuna ambecha county individually collector ground. County na powers, governor na powers chia kudaga kuwaja says through systems wirio na wote mtomba kumutitanga, you know. Nonto kwatu kacharia batwe Mwangandia through sesere kagumana ere nje charia ito kuwaja more than 275,000 a day. Then why should we wait?
Now, figure we take exaggerated.
No, my friend, kuna quarries. We are among the most vibrant markets. In Meru. I'm telling you the facts. Iga rade kuma rego ka Meru county rego ka Tharaka Nithi county rego ka Embu county rego ka Nanyuki county rego ka Laikipia county rego ka Isiolo county. Diruma Mwangandia. If you go today this morning, kuna so many lorries. Chuma rero kere. Nyembere kanjo beja. Because it's a 24 hours working markets. Yeah. And there's a lot of money circulate area. Not less than that 5 to 70,000 a day. Ewi 6.8. Ndeje baruguru. The other boy etige 22 another that 5,000. That is around 100,000 iri kuma ke that small area. No tagu keto kuona mono. That's why I'm telling you. Beyond e-procurement na kurira kuko ngiba kurira na federal government kana national government kwenda kuinyiria devolved government counties bado china bena mbecha china chances chako tumira mbecha rako batere kujukia mbecha na government kuira government mtu munene mono government is a very big is a president of the county
county boss
is collecting taxes from the people na dede is this stupid was the tax wiki president directly wiki national government directly ko tiga wiki garidia. You know, there was a motion as I worked on. You know, at least we have a vibrant speaker and a thinking one. Speaker, they were pushing a motion kuga kira ke koja nuwa kika tiga at least that 40 to 30% kika tiga wana ground. Kiri bara ene guita. Edara tuge mawa town naro ita ngiriegana. 30% ingiri kana ingiri 30 itigwa mawa town ciandike mutoro kwegera any logistics ile cheka winda chidire chitiko need kuchumburana mono chidire chiko work with or without that national government money. Nuko wata?
Ingoelewa.
That's the problem.
Na mwanga dere centrumenti.
Centrumenti.
Ni kwa bishop Kilimangoshine.
Eda bishop?
Kambi kagwa itwa Mutumiria.
Mutumiria te bishop.
Tim bishop kana
Mutumiria not every preacher is a bishop.
Like Arabic kagwa itwa bishop by the way.
Muta Muskavu.
Muskavu. Enondo Mutumiria. Endi ndanda mwita bwetawa.
Is a lawyer.
Ni lawyer na Muskavu.
Kadu mwita lawyer.
Lawyer, wakili.
Wakili.
Imbika kwa kwina gikundi kiambe Mbezi the High.
Yeah, the High. There's the High.
Nubamenya.
Yeah, the High area. A very strong team.
Ni bethera baki kuthoranga ikutho tungeria kwa Kilimangoshine. Baki wa kiago mwangambia ibati nyuma kiri witina mbere na ni akariba centrumenti.
That's not a lie.
Ni nguto nderi tene kinyiro kana ni siasa propaganda.
Turongo. Kirima asavite 2 terms. This is the second term. Na nyante kuona reason mtu abati kuromba more than 2 terms. Kirima abati kuanjira kuthukanya kuromba gite kia senator kana gite kia governor kana kathuganyora ka something else bigger than the MP.
Ndaigiro akiwa akariba centrumenti bari barambirire ibombe ndaringi mbita na mbere batungatira
kodithia ate
kubatungatira
gotutungatira ate what are we saying
nyakari yaile timo kari wa centrumenti arawire nyakari bo bwera itu
ndari maybe kwina akari specifically barakaraia iba kwenda abaendelea kubakaria lakini but we are choosing another guy actually we the youth are preferring we have a number of candidates to look geria ko balance. We don't have one candidate. Tuna speaker bundi to analyze manto jave. Menya ngo kuomba ko side na the older generation mono non to these people. I'm sorry to say this. Mudiki area bonda kere mono. Kuna generation area ja generation emberebere kidogo. Ira eringara mo ikura.
Bumas, eto bumas.
Bumas. These people, most of the times, patiringa akura na reason, batumara emotions. Na kwa tuwe kaibo keja na boa campaign na bo, then of course we will avoid him. We want young people. We want to engage young people. We want to see young people being engaged in politics. Na kinyake with olitingogi. Yeah. Majenzi.
Nande, umbira thoka charia ete sasa.
Yeah.
Ende owo wikwa na thoka charia kenda kwagirithwa. Rais William Ruto akiaria ari Katheloa the other Sunday kire mitaratara yura ya muchango ogirina nino ndo kathuri murongi senator na wira itu kwenda rais aliunga miro ntuko ithatu ntuko mbere aire ari embe ntuko yeile aitetiania ntuko ithatu aire aliment endi rais aikulwa mawa nande ngui kweromba renu gukirukira your representative. The senator is a representative of the people of county of Meru. Na wende nguko eromba renu ngokorokera senator enu. Nandi nkuburomba. Nondo ntuko ithatu nkithilunka. Ome musia thilunka na noa. Nkwenda bomba kiragaro ekwa ndi rais. Na bugwata mbaru motaratara juu na ninda ya kuthilunga ndiunga ya ntuko ithatu. Ngaita ngakunda kiao kithia ni akoro na babaka ya tukaranire tukauna na kiara. Na ni mutaratara some state lodge na kivero nyo garo ya raisi our state lodge terege akwa ende kwe some politicians kuma mero na nyado ibagi siasa bakuwa kidogo na mpangaratano ya priorities bange bako ware regeni kupinga murandi ya witi na mbere aba
na ndere reka dhuri aretete igembe ntukuije ngavana Mutumas Super Cup.
Sunday atareke kama yeye.
Ejira na ndege, ejira na helicopter. It took him how many minutes ku nyatu yometa Nairobi? Chari 40 minutes. Teu? Kuja maximum 45 to 55 minutes. Kuja are ya mawa teu?
To less than 1 hour.
Less than 1 hour. Then why do we need to build a state lodge worth more than 10 billion? Kenda president za kuliunga ntuko ithatu akaraku. America ina White House ingana.
Emwa.
Britain bena office ya prime minister ingana.
Emwa.
Then why do we nike Kenya iko ni dekomi? Koni how big is Kenya? Aga tora agatwira governor mutuma bamutwari gwakira deputy governor residency we antogenda kuona deputy governor bageta kumona ki residency deputy governor. That niko make sense a little bit. But what is the importance of a state lodge? Mero eko to exhaust problems cheto chionda to kwenje dima bia roje to wekera arimi bena mbeo project chiondi chiku function barabara chiondi chiremi ire che counties ire kwenda wekero kabrosi china kabrosi runa ndikenda to didia bore kenda to anjira kwa state lodge
ni tware na muthuyu mwa gisiasa James Kimathi na imiarieke augana no kumenya mbeca ni tengi na mbeca tengero mantu mwanya mwanya mbeca ire kaora muchere tichi kaora mutuywa ugali na wende mbeca ire gaka garo iyo ni budget mwanyene na ke shopping list indobira bibatio kinyamero kwina garo na kwina items wingi kwina itemized budget ya ira yakinyira mero au akwina state launch na kire budget yeu kwina level 6 ya mero kwina kwagridwa kwa municipality tuika Meru City au kwina nduoka range na wana hiyo yangi no yaki shopping list bwana
ije ko jari more important ugo kedra orere na ampara taiji ga kunenkera ngiri emwe orere u what the first thing you should do
bati koroma ganto
nande no arenda gutwira mbere uru maganto ugo bati ukarampara ugetoka ukagura kagoti ga keru gakumakia kangiri emwe ugatinda ukairi. That's what they are trying to show us kanari me kuna kintu to priorities amiru priorities chia patutore arimi. Actually we are number 4 ke voter registration, number 4 ke tax paying. Kenya kuma ke Nairobi, Kiambu na Nakuru. Meru is the next. And then someone is telling me that kirato kunidi batu state lodge. Sagana tira Sagana state lodge. Etata tianto pa Sagana atia. Mito miene is there. Etata ti Sagana atia. Is Sagana more vibrant no to kuna Sagana state lodge? You know the reason I don't even support Gachagua is because of such things. Gachagua was whatever as supporter William Ruto was one of the guys who got to Tsema ni Sagana kole mochere. You know? How does that make sense?
Ego sherekea tu ushindi.
Anto batena roje. Nkurire weta mwanga nyeto tena kabros. Toko yeto nyeto tena alitinguge bakwegera boko eu. Ndio choke ombire nande kira kina maana I state lodge. That thing is not making sense. And we should elect leaders bakubuganyimbi. What is more important? There's a time I remember there's a time Kirima ejete to school eja ntimimbira twamurombere and Kirima was like imbas. Kirima was like nandere kwena kintu kita priorities mbasi nyo ina maana ankroke laboratory and I was like nyewere mtuna kuga sense mbasi nyo ina maana ankroke laboratory na this titlo njina ina maana ankroke laboratory check tocha kutia research we should think and our politicians baba tikwa realistic na mtu wende ku support state lodge ni antu baku support president blindly and I'm not sorry to say that they are supporting aba kukira kwaga mugate jojo ade beta automata daily bread
na tukua daily bread ntuku kware mujemeni okathela tinti ntuku mbere uyukwa the 9 MPs bakaunti ya Meru bakina rombo rwa kaba rais Ruto ntuku mekithira Meru kaba atwire nontu rais augire ate aina 2 billion ciawe cia muko cia waka kanisa nara Nairobi garoni ya rais tukumekithira abunge bonde
better that's a lie
ni ari mbere kwe ombetite au aina 2 billion cia waka kanisa kiri garo na cia cia muko na ende kankuria ya atire the 9 MPs kabara president worship kanisa ni ya rais garoni rais nara Nairobi
better be president worship team yuko matene
but kanisa
the 2 billion also was not his money utemba kwa kage public property private entity tumba kutambia acha kucha muko kwa kanisa ke private ke public property state house is a public property ile nyumba ya rais wa Kenya uratoka Ruto will not live there forever. Nima. Assuming even he wins 2027 election. He will not, after 2027, 2032, katiba yetu irugane. So, uongea keza ake dari Muslim re, no aja ke musk. Uongea no after 10 years, kyo uongea aja dari muindi, no aja ake tempuku. Uongea no atu ge ne this stage no anje ake shirai newe atheist ku. That thing, we need to look at what is more important. And you know, the reason why you kona youth package engage in politics is that apa noticete tutara antu batiko tuthuganiria ikyo kona youth be so serious na politics ogu this time because stability is political, social na economical and you can't have two without the utemba kwa stable tena both three of them
nana mantu ya abunge ba Meru nontu kwe bamwe kwa karaya kaiture otukanirwa riari kenine kiu kia galelwa inya lakini bonde ma ndaikirwe sauti ya rimwe itukatha orokumwa
mukathera isi
ni bwega mukathera isi ntukumenya kithira ni service kana ni self interest
it's self explanatory service iriko antobege mbembira kira bonete the MPs how many rooms do they have is every house connected na electricity those are the questions we should be asking ourselves to in a research center singana cha artificial intelligence AI is growing very fast in the future mbuka probably together to tumera EV everywhere electric powered vehicles nandere ni riko tuna cha center kuthithia will we atukagura until death do us apart together to import into kuma home mwankare tukuma ndikuru ne to Kenya no we want to live here and die here ore biena uga I will live and die here in Africa tutikwenda gwita kukuria ndikuru ingi so to live in community tikukura we need to be realistic a little bit kwe manjate na maana bro okay trakatwera barenda ba connect railway line mwanka Mombasa eze connect Meru connect Isiolo airport railway line twari mambo kando chieto tukekira ke railway line tukikia Mombasa chika tukaikia home hiyo kintu kiko make sense mono murimi na kuminya ushua tu sasa naro ta serious board my friend are one manto women are crying by kinyene o by abakurira fertilizer u ija kete kongana niki logistics chite banjori bat kodari bangi to bat kodira mtu akiuma mwanga ndia kajara fertilizer mutindwa why did we have a devolved government what was it for
thirikari kinya kwina mwananchi
ku fertilizer centers chond in every ward what you kete ukaja serious board ile jeka ganwa
yugeni miuko enu ya naona
ino to akure mawata kwa na ndindi ne town
tonto bwa pengine logistics
ileko
cia antu kumande nondena baatamani au taonine ko ya intobyo ba ikemende
becho kemende kairi ko mtu wa mongera transport tas farmer mtu wa aslete bro yeri ko severa fertilizer ocho ke mongera transport au mete the farthest corner acho kaknya ekora mine atonya nandi distancing na bikibiki akamata mi ko fertilizer ke those rough roads you itedi detwe so how is that good to that person we have nothing to sing praise for this government both of them both the national and the county there's nothing to praise
ende no kumenya kwina bara nabo ba ingwe oversight ekithera ni abunge they are key responsibility kulingana na katiba ni ku oversight the national government ekithera ni ma MCA ni ku oversight the county government ni bo bare mingwe kana ni akenya bongo bathurire antu batekumba
akenya bongo to blame to take blame politician de onde let's take our blames mtu mudharaba jombuga to kama tere to akosa there's a time to agaria kwa nini tukabera tinga niko kudinga kura na emotions asiasa iba masinemare mtu no nyaga tamba akinchini yaga akamedo akaidira kwa ngora medo akamedo nchini akenda njira kurera aboni ora aromba kana thithia urabu atega manto igwa kiao arira you know ora attached him manto jau those are politicians
kagilchili
yeta imbiribiri mtu anagusa macho na kitambaa my friend and he start crying acting
well drama
masinema you tell me orianto ba voted what is policy diko kana i agenda iriko kawira twenderetie kenda governor Meru mbere mtu irendetie ire togwa tuko na go qualify kwa ngavana kulingana na manifesto eu kulingana na manzeo gutwira kathi dije ko gitakathi
kwe manifesto ya gokiri kundi bia goro
na mea ko ngokiri kundi bia goro batutwira atia
ndi mende nani nte advocate
there was nothing what I'm saying is there was nothing people voted 40% ekoro ba mulingira kura cha swingire kiwe no tukura cha 40% cha richi ekoro youth nabo mea ekoro nabo iba influencer crowd mono gacha dabo okenda any time uko na kwatha you need to stay well with them
Ariria kuruwega.
Ariria kuruwega. Kahora. The late Livondo abaretera monka shampoo cho thambia mitundu.
Ariwe. Shampoo.
Shampoo hakikisha wako sama.
Na by the kwe mbunge fulani ndaira wa mwakoro kena ambiritie koyana tugutunge fani inya it started
Shandrak. I don't know about that. Not to experience physically. Ntaona that thing. Usually sometimes inya propaganda ichendo wa manoko dokania. Na ntende tego ko base anything in a conversation na propaganda and most of the times to tumira reason. But together na it's a strategy. Women, kwere women oga attracting koro chia unya na ambi. Na bate manto mengi unajua tu
gantu kanini yake.
Unajua tu mwali unaguzwa na mambo iko sawa.
So ikiki atuma kwendera kuri na mogaruruku kiri siasa cia 2027 nonto nande kiothe nende gikubanganwa siasa nende ba kuibangania nikitwe senator na kwenda kwa governor
ende akana as per now kuri kalingo na Arua ethera number 3
no one kulingana na
Arua statistics tutakete science itera madhabu ya tara yorongo science miamba antuboga science is magic science is not magic it's the truth iginto kila gikuoneka kulingana na madhabu today kuri kalingo na Arua munya no ethera tongerete na 35 to 40%.
Kulingana na polls sibuthi ni company lego
research research both kombanite mitandao yonde kombanite post cha X kombanite post cha Facebook kombanite arithmetics cha social media na what is being speaked ke uranto bakwaria ground
number
2 into idinkia not boy incumbency sitting governor ena menye na resources ena power witangoge ni kalingo na Arua ethera number 2 eri between 25 to 30 something percent. You know monkada ini naona nini eke makia DP Democratic Devolution Empowerment Party
Kigambaz
monkada iji number 3 na nini kaduri yako ijira na Arua kalingo
na kwejure bingi bikorwa yegie manto ja barana bo ba kuzitonye muno kiri siasa cia national Antone agotegera uritungugi ni rware ni goro ngwetikia inya mubunge Patrick Munene wa Chuka Mang'ombe araondokere fellow politicians kuma Tharaka-Nithi abara nande ibugwate njira babwe kama mutumerere example mbere tuchoka gatetune Kamiro baira babu gwate njira nonto nande boitonyere ki national politics bolwa ko deliver kire baba buringire kura babu nande buri na rumbo rwa thirikari nene buli ni ground mature ne gotina mirandi ya witi nambere na nkona ti Tharaka-Nithi yake imbonete nya abunge kuma Meru bagita garo ne rais baita garo ne rais bakaria bakanywa na bachoka ringi na bando Amiro odhikira ribotire iko bwitho ni andiki betu banteto ni stima ite gutwe mundu ne mutumanu barabara tuthondekere amu batu totwe gantu bagatakene kwina ndaka muno barabara ni ndoku masukuru yetu tukwenda kwagirithirwa irazi yabi komomoka kutina rera ya kuthomerwa kutabarikia kwa unyui bonsho bindege ni watho na mantu yegie ndawa shambogira mathina kathumba inde inya waigwa rira twari kathelwa atongerie bagi siasa rais ekuo munini oke abareo na officials kuma kiri thirikari nene bonde baina rwimbo thirikari nene
number 1 kwire atiri MPs betu pristime president kwa yewe inya kabera na Arua kabera na ndembejete Meru ndenda buinge meto tume kuma Tharaka na magoro twejete je Meru toka ugari oni mutsengo kurante magwita toka there's no one as the voice kuganogi president William Ruto ki
why so na the boss ni the Meru voter no boss no the real boss kire mubunge no the real boss kire ngavana no the real boss
MPs bangana tena bori realista ja Meru personally ugotegete how do you think to MPs bangana realist otagete the 9 of them who do you think is more realistic than the rest who do you think is
tumba werekia lakini nikaona something needs to be done.
Tika Amporo waki. Na Amporo the good thing with him is his political party. Nyeda na demi go push rake batera ke young people. At least Amporo ito de mono tenga ni dino kai raka go no, I'm not okay. You know? But the rest no one will ever otoa ita sauti. There's a time kireme enda ita sauti na toa na buruka kwenda kudama UDA, United Democratic Alliance, but all of a sudden again ntimede threats kana imbi, you know they should come clean and tell us enyewe tutekuna praise ejo theri atoko threteno kana turiro go karao, you know, we should know the truth because we voted them, we trusted our votes nabo wetikia mtu omunenkera kure ku tomunenkera maisha jaja atokaria miaka 5 nukuona and some of them have wasted our 5 years actually nyewe tikere already miano analyze ko na drop kunyangia datore nyewe retu ko kanyangia they have already wasted our time, they will do nothing. Meru MPs patikomenya imbi pakwenda, they will barwira na Kawira Mwangaza by United, they are fighting mutumanto idingia Runguro Carpet. Those are the things that are happening. Interest charity karetu but you feel comfortable. I'm telling you things
what
that
is happening
that you should go and
mbira ni wamo boyo gisiasa ni bonto gwetira kenda to nimbi biongo bakorwera
they're not happy tendering uyo kigwa monda idele akiuga I procurement bakirire happen ojora bakoroka ya finance bill without even looking in the kodidwa as long as the president has said koroken finance bill neo let's crash devolution to make crash. They don't know what is devolution, they don't know how to save it, they don't na ne baadaye bakaza ku realize
kwa vogiro
keke ko tandra tra go press government na chio ke na tomu karia otechio because that's how they live. Me beda entrepreneurs, our politicians no both entrepreneurs, but no papa go ipoko na barabara iteko divo no bo ene ko divia. There's a time Lentoro was being accused of a road. I tendered through his company. You remember those stories? They were not lies.
Refreshing my mind.
You see, those things happen. They want to claim the tenders and claim the leadership and claim the power. They want to suppress the weak, but knowledge is power.
Na mantu kuwa siasa sia Runguro Carpet, some of key politicians Meru bakirwa na thirikari ya county ya gavana mutumanto thinkia. Does that explain pangaratanera yaonekanire kienine kia mailira?
It's part and parcel. Yeah. Again, MPs bara ntukwere maili tatu manjara jakarika disorganization. Mutuma is surrounded with the people, a lot of people, but kuenda kwa anto bangi room ekumwira. Mutuma is not a politician, you know. He comes from the church and then from the prison service, and then he's not a politician at all. Now, gochanganyikiro kuro kuona inomo ki anto baba mwiro baba there's a time ajire mo ngandia. He went round. He didn't launch any project. When a governor is jabu kona Ruto akija Meru ajotikia ko launch. A president or a governor is a very senior person. Abati aja ground akagona nena arua ko launch kabro siji utokona urori nyago teke tidwa kadrama kidogo wijiga tika convince anto people but antaba ndukuyete antaba te para batene you have to show them things practically jauno monko munigi ntontonge ile ma utera kwanga jo anje so akwa mtu aja no I want to see practically. I want to see practically. We have been lied for so long. So he came, he went round, he did nothing. He launched nothing. Sunflower na ndeta ntaba kwa sunflower is something that even
Beniko. Yeah. Beniko atiori, no atuogeri ore bimose.
Orokire bato arimba itu. Arimba mwangambia. Turi mama bukando, machunko, magembe, mpempe. Non to boidio, pempe. Nande sunflower turi mai. Ina tukanda sunflower, tutige kwa na mibukando, tugite mibukando tuane sunflower. What we need is fertilizer. What we need is oturenande to work on. There's a project Kreto was working on. Tubata mo time bamura Kreto amikirira. Area manginyo. It was not a bad project. Kreto to manginyo ari ya. Kreto was doing through Meru University a research agriculture research fertilizer, organic fertilizer. That's what you wanted to develop. You don't just bring to people into it tested. So you want to
pilot.
Yeah. You want to do something, a research, and then patagi a prototype on a better than the normal fertilizer. That's what that guy wanted to do. But he was there at the wrong time. Kerito ari governor at the wrong time. We were, but imagine we were very young, como support na tare go Tonya the actual, and then Aria Kibrikera in Ngwai has been in power for so long, you know. But that unum to road na maoni smartest jamiro.
Na inya bia maybe kuibanganya Mero.
Yeah, bibinge.
Na Mero kwena kia basi. Akona na kama kia PNU.
Yeah.
Akwena Nopeu.
Yeah.
Akwena UMP.
UMP yeah.
Na kwena ende bida bingi bikuya bikiuria kwa Tombaru bingi. Ende mainly bida bia bina political leaders from Meru ni kia Nopeu kina Mpuro Aburi mbunge utigania. Kwina kia PNU kile na Peter Munya ukoromba giti kia gavana. Kwina kia Ambas kira kia bakiraito kia balaji mwendia na kwina UMP kile na Kawira Mwangaza uge na kuandomiri kwa biama bi muno support ya bio kire bio mbethe buijenzi ni wiki twe mururumo jwa biama bi kana bado kazi ipo
political parties in Kenya tiga ODM na some Mero biama kitaromba kuibanga kiongo the only MP rowe na mutoki MP baba Mero baraba ingi imporo nonto na kumbenya ko chibangira kiama lakini biti vibrant biama bi biti vibrant biama bi na bao look at the leadership the same hot guns the same people doing the same things and expecting different results. You will never get different results doing the same thing again and again and again atia naro nande wekara fertilizer kire tuge mobabai joaku ka wekara moreo nusu wheelbarrow ega kwa 1 kg per week na urenda rande 3 kgs per week wendere wekira nusu wheelbarrow. You have to change that thing to kind of different results. You have to try something new. So these parties, they will be there, but they will impact because they no Meru ni tana wave. UDA is not a Meru party. Kwarina DAP, kwarina last election, kwarina PNU, and people kwarina no peobado, but people ba choose with na UDA baraba ingi. Why?
Political euphoria.
That's what happens in Meru. Nanto Meru but is important se okuria kiama kyao. Number 2, they expect at least Mpuru na Munya na Kiraito beka egos chao na differences pavivia a strong political party. Kidogo Kawere it's hard for her kumage na Ntobangi. She's a little bit so egocentric over the rest. Nyamunya is very egocentric. That's the truth.
Egocentric to mean kiura atiko meaki moni ke Gen Z.
Anto bena kiburi kire guru muno ku accept kuro imtonge. Unakwera? So they want to barenda ku control. Gutu ibo ba kuga buru. Na political parties that na structure. Na structures you chaba kuna mko build. Nto if this party is just 40% you dire. Then how are you saying kuna political parties just strong Meru?
So 40% what with the youth?
Youth.
Gen Z.
But be convinced enough these political parties are important to us. Me, only the member or a local political party. The member no peo daiji. Though, tanko na ngistiki no peo mono ntonte kona no peo. In the actual dream iranko enda kwe a political party.
Also,
I want a political party that is very organized. I want a political party that ekarungi kamonka candidate president. We should give
president.
Yeah,
to be realistic,
matrix
presidential candidate, we have a handful men and women barabo mbige kwendera barina mururumo yo gutwika rice. No mtu arwame yabora askofu fulani alwamire na bado ipo kazi. Nende kare.
You don't have to win.
Matrix. Nonto inya bukiwa ko kivya ni presidential candidate inya financially kusponsor such a campaign tiumo na sponsor sia vijana MCA MP na
kera nkwele what I was saying by that. A political party is an entity, it's a company. Nyorana ndeko deal na politics, a major. When you go to ngakwa example na the most developed political parties in the world. Nteta China ke communist countries, ka Russia ari, katumira democracy countries, katumira United States of America. Nkura kuna kintu kuna kiama gitagwa Republicans na kuna kiama gitagwa Democrats. These parties can survive kachita biashara na thirikari. Tikana na fancy na thirikari za byama. Myabara bangi ba register on to fund area. But that's political party but kudra ina business is equal deal na chi underground. Either eke deal eke solve problems chanto underground kidani kudhukuma ina business iko run behind the scenes irego fund kiama.
Ndio tuko na ya Republican by na support ya mtu ya Elon Musk, the richest man.
Why is he supporting them?
No ni mchore tio Donald Trump ake na the
Vision.
values, the value and the vision
Of the party.
The party, yeah.
Ikienda kuna nde, that's why kidogo me and a few young people trafila no pe not the vision we wanted. Because if we cannot sit down with the right people in that party, so we don't feel comfortable with that party. PNU is another party. You will tell no one. Structures chia yote kaliori bat kudri kali. Kidogo mbasi kuna tu atakaye nyambasi. Mbasi nionye bado etina structures sibu we comfortable nayo.
Nge mauro ye ko kana ya torikire.
Mauro. Mbasi yereo. Kika makira kinene meru. Kika makira kinene meru. Ukatiga kina MCS baraba ingi bana kumya kia mikio kinene ri. Ikio kina MCS baraba ingi.
That's kande kuombera kidogo tibura yari tene
na tiura to expected rekari. You see? Ote un DCP lento ripa magota bakarande the other day bakadia kiama. Na kika vibrant Kenya yonde. Inde kiama getu kira kituirea meru gitumba ko control Laikipia gitumba control Embu Tharaka-Nithi na Isiolo. Au not about with Mirambe. Can we control that region as a political party? If you can't, then what you are doing is not vibrant. You are doing something small.
Na kuna kama kingi UMP. Your thoughts?
It's a short-term party. UMP is a short-term party. Okoro divya giento na maruru. UMP is a party out of anger and emotion, and it is not going far.
Someone can say so about DCP.
Even DCP. Kuko wanaja DCP detana. DCP is a after 2027 to tuna DCP. After 2027 we won't have a DCP. After 2027 tukata tutigere pia Jubilee, PNU, kuna pia mabiko bika stick. Edra ine bando bakedra be alive. You know we don't know where God tutije tukata for how long.
Lakini kano iliona agotena Jomo na agotena Moi.
But kano ina Moi junior.
O Gideon?
Yeah.
Gideon nwena unkumere thirikari na.
Indra Kanu. The party is still there.
Na ni kona. Nondo by the talking of Kanu and dynasties, 2022 siasa siarechia Asla versus dynasty. Indi dai ngona nande
Ruto is also a dynasty.
Ruto akwa 004. Dynasty 004.
Politicians will bring another vibe. There are another different movement. But look at the Gen Zs. You go back control narratives chonde. The young people will control every narrative. So what probably nande kedra more based on economy than theatrics.
Lakini nande ni ndega kwa Willis Otieno ore mwanima mutongire kia makesa fina agia nyomba imwe ntega wa nande narrative last year 2024 na early 2025 yari about economic liberation. Na vijana ba Kenya area magaruku especially manto ya kiuchumi. Lakini dai bara weta legacy politicians Rigathi Gachagua, Justin Muturi otuika kuna sabotage of the voice of the young people baraba kwenda real economic change, empowerment na real change nande otuikite ni one term two term kotuika nande ruaria ruigie economics irukurira kelele yombe ya one term two term otuika nande the real policies sia kiuchumi ni kurira under that noise.
How do you think how long do you think Muturi na Gachagua baka last year politics?
Iba lo amiti candidate Newton Karish.
There's no problem. They call you baka last how long? Whether baka last how long? Kere kiao. That is probably theirs. Probably highest percentage. Probably You know, Karis himself is a...
Ni Brad.
Is a Brad.
Indi kwe na uranwe a sponsor ni UDA. Na watimbaru ni Kithure Kindiki. Na currently, perception yanto, Kithure Kindiki no abati kwa kingpin wa Mount Kenya. At least Mount Kenya East.
Perception. Thank you.
At least
you've put it very right. Perception yanto.
At least Mount Kenya East.
Is the kingpin of Mount Kenya, not Mount Kenya East. Is the kingpin because he's second in command. Now represented the Mount Kenya.
Sure.
So he's the kingpin. But when people talk about perception, but take como regard mono kingpin. Now you get. He's not that much vibrant politically. But professor is a very good guy. If there's a guy who is smart, Noma is a very smart guy. Me, I would vote him president. What Akaromba president? Me, I would vote him for presidency. Why?
Fire si fire.
Amugi akimeru. Kiriki kenja kitaka koga.
Elde babure akwenu na arabu anga ndege yao.
Nande akati ka barabara kan kama ngo expect akia divia kamwaki kuma gyaki tu gyaki kuwadania na Chadema market. Why not? Kiankoire.
Eka kubuidwa?
No. Angu akadivia no to get auditor yawe no gira akadivia. That's why we are rating him. But menyanto ba the lower kia gona mwanga ndia no tomoterete because he's our immediate neighbor. Akagotiko tikarami aga atoa kawe at least 20 kilometers. Then why should we back someone? Why should we back you because we were to tiketo kuona?
Na give any responsibility ya mbunge.
Ata exclude mbunge no the national government na no kuna president no. Mea is inyagenda kwa Ruto anytime nyada akenda chio tuko Ruto will pick his deputy's call. And he's a professor, so he must be smarter than everybody in that government. Atona professor bangana ki national politics.
No my.
So he should be smarter than them all. So we expect things kuma kewe. And if those things won't happen by 2027, 10th of August, then we will have no any other option than to say, okay, thank you, you guys have done well, but let's try someone else.
Ikurari na rwaria ati kitikia wimere piki kwa obsolete. Kanage kwa non-beneficial to the people.
Is it beneficial?
Arikangu kweli takwela rwaria iko dawa iko baoni yangu. Iko dawa iko baoni yangu.
Is it beneficial?
No, iko direte korena Florence Kajuju.
Yeah.
Kwendera korena kaina mwangaza. Nande korena Karambu kaidemia. Na kidogo kulingana na some of the political pundits kana analysts kwa gitekeu ke scrapped off mbeche yu chidire gitonywa mamtune yange kere county
gitekira kia dito non to bo that gender rule kita dito non to bo atiki na sense mono ke development ke na sense mono ke mwananchi kawaida no that gender rule kendekro wangana parliament namba yongereka. But I don't see the sense in that. Nanto obat kudra you are a good politician, you are a good leader, no qualify kwa mutongeria, ojo karomba giteke MC, karomba giteke MP, karomba giteke governor to gakwa. Because Sikawira was voted. She was a woman. So let ekoro build trust nanto. Na ekoro wenzao. Wetebo nekura. Women ibo nekura. Nkureka kairi. They are almost 4 times, 7 times ngoro kia bahatwi gents. Andere they have the power. I don't see the need ko katiba kenda eba kalia go tuika no monka to chuenjerenge ko bareta parliament to nyange resources kenda beja parliament. That's actually that seat is should be it's avoiding to you.
Ali nyabo ate ito goti. Bata kidega nyamo bagarumu nyabo kero gira giteke.
Geko barumu.
Affirmative action.
Affirmative action ite choke ke governor. Ite governor. Why did we devolve the government? Kile yako kidara kiri kimwaki. Niki to devolve dirikari hizi. Why do we have majimbo? Why do we have counties?
Dirikari ile yako na Mkenya.
No, then why do we need another national government position? Kia women kenda kutuika ekonomi represented. Becho ndi bati oreto ki governor. Kenda to na governor to roja na governor to governor wako ore mingo ge you have the resources. National government in procurement is a thing that is to discuss procurement to devolution. Then why did we have devolution?
Lakini watia bunge bakilokiri moswana.
Area bunge ngore na baba madhairo barea.
No ni makosa.
But enda gutekiria Kenyans amerukia mbere abunge betu bara baingi. Actually bonde. Batido ma bill sirire wa president parliament abako yetu. They get money 500,000, 300,000, 1 million, they pass bills. na nyara isina to the president himself na ugire uga antoba anga ba mathaira so boigwa tutenda tukwe wa Meru mwenda idele akugira it is true utechio nonto abunge beto MPs na senator Kadhuri Murongi are part and parcel because he was in the Senate. Yeah.
Na nwe nya deputy speaker.
Na nwe deputy speaker. Na nwe ande the most influential senator in Mount Kenya. Nonto nwe he made it na deputy president. Kuma ki Mount Kenya East. They voted Mbeja Chume chikeja ground procurement chia pena ki national government. Why? Kenda toa controlled manipulation. Kenda president tomba control mantujawe. It's not okay, it's not right, it's not right, it's not right, it's not right. Okay bro. Nikiende tuina kiri yako niko diatri, nikiende tuina counties. Kwa tuika governor ate antoba wetendari. Why do we need those counties? Tutechoke ki regions roto wakarambere. National government ate control ore mwetu.
Sure.
Directly.
Na no likanie Mutegeri na itanambere ko ranina batu kiro kila mitandao kinande. Facebook at Meru TV Kenya. Tukaithira tugitegera moni ya Mutegeri nandi ingwenda wikwa moni yaku yeye women reps nando nandi kayuyu Florence na chokete berere aliwande kwa na kuri na vijana chipukizi bakaro gitonga bao ni bakuinya babo bakwenda gutonya na kwina the incumbent Mama Safi kinyangano ishia giteke wore cio nate
pate kadi tamain choke ora gwere political parties na we bere kedere kadi tamain no ka women rep position cg tento bengi ba nya current women representative no rejera na UDA and UDA kwere tegere manje masinema president was the master actor no any master actor na ndeno mbeta convince the whole region UDA is the best place to be. So adingiro hetre na wave. So this time ikadi tamai na wave nonto so far kura chameru igaukene half. Kuna antobando bogo support president. Half of the Meru people, the other half AK opposition. Matiang'i and the rest and the likes. So ikadi tamai usually factors imwe ida major, but so far the horses are not many. There are very few horses, and then you know what we say, the rest are donkeys. So we have a few horses. Yeah. But Karambu will not be the next women rep. She will not be re-elected as the women representative.
We better take that to your favorite bank.
Take that to your favorite bank. No, put it wherever you can. She will not be she will not be a woman.
In fact, Azirego.
Chiombe.
You mauni yaku ti yako kana Meru TV.
Jako. Reality. No, it's reality. Reality on the ground. Reality on the ground is she will not be the women representative again.
Na kanto me besenjire dato kugira mitandao kinande. Tushili ariwa wow bro, Mr. Kelvin ariwa following live anasema fire see fire. Well, MC Tesha kawa good morning. Meru County politics are taking wrong direction every day. Karo Kimathi akawa I'm locked in napenda Lauren Muse akawa good morning following live. Kim baba yao akawa salimia hiyo nchamba sana ni Kim baba yao. Mwirigi wa Charity akawa vijana wa Mwangathi anasema nini kuhusiana na Nyota program.
Nyota program. We are waiting. Nkwere tena confidence mnaona president. Ito mwenye deko promise, you've been promised and promised and promised. But if Nyota will work, it can boost a lot of young people. If it will work, if people will get that money, that 50,000. But in Kenya we have more than 7 million youths. And now 100 ukataka percentage ile kuna nonto 100,000 bakita ja ki almost 10 million kona percent ingana no kona ni around 10%. So it will be a change but not that big. But it's a good change that happen. But we don't know. You know, until we see things. I've told you nadrikareje batoto tuka mpaka tuone. Pepo baka koromone by December. We want to see by December. We have 2 months remaining. Pepo baka koromone. And then from there to come in and we can trust the government. So let's see if the people will get that money. If the youth will get that money, kidogo tukage confidence na this government. But So far, personally, I don't have confidence na yoni. Otiki ntomponete practically. Yeko. Nkwere nya fertilizer de devolve. Iketo na devolution. Ikwe ground. Yeah. Ikwe ground tuko sawa. Ya izane romo wanga andia otikando bachari bemejukiria charia. Mimi niko sawa. Antoba bo centro bemejukiria ikweta kaga tembe. Iko sawa sawa. Antoba abo westi pena certain location. Antoba every ward. Jia bena a certain location ya abo jukira fertilizer but you tumbo ku travel all the way you get fertilizer me ko iri.
Sure. Na tukutegera sio ndede tutategera nginyangano ya giti kya Senate mbere twithira tukimilekelia Senate kadhuri na kuwa nandi nkwenda ukinyukira mutongere baraba nini kire mbunge ya county ya Meru kana county assembly ya Meru naitonyetie wakili Imanyara naitonyetie wakili Timothy Kethenji naitonyetie na bonde bariwa ninkomba ni uninkathethera thirikari nkathethera makaunti kenda kuthira kurina uciathi bothirikari cia matura itikainyeilwe kana kwa manipulated ni national government agawanga kari otonga bwa county Meru bonde bari na rwaria rumwe wendite kuona ciaca cia giti kia Senate inyorira mutongeria wa ODM Raila Odinga wite gutina haja USA ithira ina 54 devolved unit na batwe na USA ni almost a continent na batwe ni a continent na batwe ni twina 47 5 shy of kana 7 shy ya the United States na batwe tu kande goroka nini muno na kwa kuthira kuri na reduction ya county governments ngenda ndo ogweta mantu ya senators na ya Raila.
Number one, Raila is controversial. He brought this constitution. Koma njoo gutwira guchinja kaire, but we are okay with the constitution. But we are Meru tukari na governor wetu. We are okay with the 47 counties. Kato tuna okay na kio, I positions to women rep, probably Kinya that house of Senate sometimes it could make sense. Why do we have the MP and the Senate at the same time doing the same thing? You know?
Ariba with the same thing.
It's almost the same thing.
National Assembly by oversight the national government. Yeah. Baba ngena baba kadia county government.
In biba kadia county government
ni oversight the county government.
What is the role of the MCA?
The role of the MCA nani kwa gidi metaratara ya uritungoge. Barana bo
oversight
bonde ni overlap in some sense but barana bo iba okaria devolution in the sense kuthia kwena infringement from the national government
so far
na kureta kagena ibondo igwa
seneta so far iba mekaritie
so far iba kinyiririe egotwika billion kauma 384.7 billion yakinya 415 billion
iba twithira ringogie governors council. What is the work of the governors council? Governors council iba twithira bagite taira bongerwa mbecha of the senate. Yeah, senate igakaria president my friend non to bare no ria kwina bono bokinyira daily ote interest bena cheche Meru na ikio ntoko na every senator areta agataro one term akenda kuja kwa governor agataro one term very publicity, that's a publicity house wetochi with the senate kinyamu gambi manyara agataro narua non to narua noe ukara more vibrant ki the other senators aka kinyamu ndaideli narua agataro senator. The next thing you will not serve for 10 years, the next thing after 5 years akenda kwa governor. That's a platform to mtu go no go wata the devolution bakalete devolution to na procurement and Kaduri was there. Actually that's my only problem with Kaduri Muronge. Ntitu na issues no but he procurement happened on his highs looking na me take for granted na happen and now we are suffering nonto nkwere atere if we cannot get tenders from the county government then what is the role of a devolved government to mbeta chume Meru mtu me Mombasa ezi itengo Meru mtu Meru nonto ore nonto imo chore president kana nonto ena marinya jawe gutonya ore wa Meru no qualify kwa ngogere ate wa nonto he doesn't have that relationship with the president or with whoever is in charge of that e-procurement process. Tenders should be here. Everything that the reason of having a devolved government is ngogechi tero Meru narua rietwa ena company gotwike murikio tirete atomba kwa tenda nonto mtu kuma Rift Valley muchoro raisi kuma Nandi county ndetera raisi barabara uruga Meru na Nkrayo kana biashara yu governor Meru supply we governor embolide kama tangi inenkero yombete and supply and people Meru. When will the Meru people benefit?
Sure.
What is the importance of devolution then?
Nikotedia mwananchi.
Yeah, na kamutedia atia tendering you na ngugi service delivery. Lakini both nande tendering yote yo mia mtura no eje nko example kairina itarimwe wapenete mtu ayatenda eja arima eri gwikira rami achoka tiga barabara mvecha pocketi betabara no rabarire no.
Wow. Ni shaka kinene ndiro ni mwerekeria masaa yetu imetupa kisogo indi ingie kwa second ijire cia kuruta ugambi bwaku bo muthingo itikia kamera ku nio ira.
Okay, thank you. Ameru mbere young people tukieni kura kwa wingi. It's the only way ekuchinchi ande kuruiji. Number 2 na manjaja kinyire my party leaders, organize yourselves well. Marketing bia mabia Meru tu marketing Meru non to bature arimi through projects chietu. Let's have tuna projects tuna njira rahisi cha kuendea miraa, njira rahisi cha kuendea mavukando, njira rahisi cha kuendea products ili kuma Meru. Meru is a very rich county. Let's respect our county. Na to our MPs, especially my MP, let's agree you are going home. Let's agree you are going home. 2 years tamu ijire ni ngani atu mwana mtongi nare. Antu pamwanga andia to ground to kakarande to na cadets baba inge to na ayuthi baba inge to ndabene uni to ndabene Murigio Charity to ndabene Mrodio Moria to ndabene Alex. We will sit down as the young people. We have a meeting na tukabwera and we will front one candidate. Na tukabwera no very soon. So thank you.
Thank you very much Nandu Bakuya. Thank you very much Nandu your insights ikonye mwerekera siasa sia Meru tukete na mbere kwengage obura rumuriro siasa rugite na mbere guchacha tukite kaira mwerekera jo siasa sia county ya Meru na of course beyond the county. Mbire mutegeri wetu ni bwega Nandu bwa kwithira gitu gwa tambaru aitane na batu ekinya kumara twambiririe ndo mebaire badato baraba idirite bagite na batu nya gukirukira mutandao jo kina Facebook @Meru TV Kenya kwena MC Tesh kwena ZJ Twishli kwena Lorraine Moseka Roke Madhi kwena bwana mwirigi wa Charity Adro Motai wale wote badirite bagithingatira na baraba tumite comments yao. Thank you very much anonto bugwita na mbere kutugwata mbaru. Asante sana mbita wakabu mudharimi inkwendere ntuko enjega.